Are you ready to create massive wealth and success this year and bring your dreams to life? I'm holding a 3-day free training where I'm going to walk you through step by step how to build wealth through an online business that you love. The online space is absolutely exploding with opportunity and possibility. And there are so many great things about building an online business. Firstly, there is a very low cost to actually get started. You can do it on your own terms and in your own time and from your own home. And also, there is actually no limit to the amount of income that you can create through an online business when you set it up right. So this 3 days of free training is going to be an absolute game changer. Day one, I'm going to show you the secrets, tips, and strategies to be able to build wealth through a profitable online business step by step. Day two, I'm actually going to show you very powerful techniques and strategies to clear out the limiting beliefs, stories, fears, and doubts that are stopping you from achieving all your goals and dreams and creating an unstoppable mindset. Day three, I am actually going to take the techniques and strategies that I teach you in day two, and I'm going to work with you live on the call to clear out your own fears and doubts that are stopping you from achieving more than you ever imagined possible. I guarantee this training is going to be an absolute game changer, so it's a no-brainer. It is free. All you need to do is go to register at onlinewealthaccelerator.com. I look forward to seeing you live on the call. This is going to really rock your world and change your life and set you up for incredible success this year. So go and register now, onlinewealthaccelerator.com. I look forward to seeing you on the training and helping you to make this your best year ever.